Hello class, welcome to the first video of the web development series. In this lesson, I'll show you how to launch VSCodium, install essential extensions, and set up autosave and format on save to create a smooth coding environment. Please ensure that VSCodium or VSCode is installed. If not, kindly follow the instructions provided in the description. Let's start by changing the theme. We shall now proceed with the installation of the extensions. To automatically update matching HTML or XML tags when editing, install the Auto Rename Tag extension. To enhance your JavaScript code quality, install the ESLint extension. For better support and syntax highlighting of HTML and CSS, install the HTML CSS Support extension. To view your web pages in real time as you develop, install the Live Server extension. To ensure consistent and clean code formatting, install the Prettier Code Formatter extension. Now that we have all 5 extensions installed, let's turn on autosave and enable format on save. Now, let's open a directory where we are going to save our projects. And create a temporary HTML file to choose our default formatter. Congratulations! Your environment is now fully set up and ready to go. You're all set to move on to the next videos where we'll start building some exciting projects together. Thanks for watching and see you there.